Financial vocabulary for your English. My name is Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian, and we provide professional English language training to companies and professionals. We also run groups of people who want to improve their English speaking, and we also have an online membership. You can find information on all of this below. Today I want to talk to you about financial vocabulary. It's very useful to know some of these terms when you're talking about money and banking and stock exchange and things like that. So just a basic run through. So the first one is to lend and to borrow. People confuse these often when they're speaking. To lend is when, for example, if I lend you money, I give you money. And I want you to return the money to me, okay? Or for example, the bank lends us money for a new car. If I borrow money, it means I take money from you and I will have to return the money. Or we borrow money from the bank for a new car. So I could say, for example, can you lend me €5? Or can I borrow €5 from you? This is a structure. And you could say, yes, you can borrow €5 from me, or I will lend you €5. So it's a little tricky. It needs practice. And then we move on to banking. For example, a mortgage is a loan you have for your house. A loan is money you borrow from the bank or from other entities or people. Currency, for example, the euro here in Spain, the pound in the United Kingdom, and the ruble in Russia, for example. To obtain profits or beneficios, is the money that you make after you pay your expenses, okay? So the profits of the company have increased this year because we are selling more, for example. The verb ganar in Spanish has several ways to say it in English. The first one is to earn. So I earn money or I earn your respect. The second one is to win. I win a race, I win a competition, I win a prize, I win the lottery, and I also win your respect. Okay? To gain is the third one, and you can gain weight. You can gain prestige, you can gain authority, and you can gain respect. So respect we can use for all of them, but the rest of them no, so be careful. Earn money, win a competition, and gain weight. We also talk about losing when we talk about money. I lost money with the stock exchange, or I lost money on the street. Okay? We have some more expressions here on the next slide. To exchange money, for example, if I want to go to the UK, I exchange my euros for pounds sterling. To lodge money, we have different ways of saying that you want to put money in the bank. You say put money in, put in money, or lodge money, or make a lodgement. So yesterday I lodged €100 to my bank account. Or yesterday I put in €100 to my bank account. Or yesterday I made a lodgement. And then to take the money back is to take out, to withdraw, or to make a withdrawal. So today I took out €100 from my bank account. The past of take is took. I withdrew €100 from my bank account. The past of withdraw is withdrew. And I made a withdrawal of €100 from my bank account. So I put in money, I take out money, I lodge money, I withdraw money, I make a lodgement, I make a withdrawal. Okay? The conjugation of the verbs lodge is regular. I lodged, I have lodged. Put, you know, put, make, made. Withdraw, so think of the verb to draw. Withdraw, yesterday I withdrew, and lately I have withdrawn. Take out, took out, I have taken out, and maybe you know. Okay, you can also transfer money or make a transfer. It's a very good idea to save money, to put money in your bank or in a savings account and make a bigger amount of money. And to spend money is almost the opposite, no? So I spend money on clothes, for example, or I'm spending money on house renovations, for example. You can spend money or you can spend time. I spend time studying Spanish, or I spend time studying marketing, or I spend my weekends with my children. For example, how did you spend your weekend? I spent it with my children. Okay. To afford is a useful verb when you're talking about money. I can't afford a new car means that at this moment I don't have the money for a new car. Next year I will be able to afford a new car. Next year I will have the money for a new car. So we often use can or to be able to with the verb afford. Okay. To invest or an investment you also use when you're talking about money. So sometimes people like to save their money in a bank, or sometimes people prefer to invest their money and hope that it makes more money in return. So to make money is to earn more money. Okay. I make money teaching English, for example. Okay. A good investment at the moment is gold, or gold is always a good investment, or you should invest your money in gold, for example. And then finally, the stock market. You can have shares or stocks in a stock market, and the people who have shares are called shareholders. So that's a very brief summary of financial vocabulary. There is, of course, lots more. If you want to know more, let me know, or Google it, whichever you prefer.
If you enjoyed that, please hit the subscribe button and you will receive notifications of future videos from us. And also, if you would like your own free ebook, very practical step-by-step instructions on how to improve your English by yourself, click the link below and it will bring you straight there. Good luck with your English. See you soon.